Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 5, I think. I'm making some crumpets. I'm back from the farm and I'm starving, so I'm always hungry. It's my sister, if you can hear her. She is really annoying. Not the youngest, the 18-year-old. I think she's 18. Oh, she's a pain. Okay guys, I'm gonna use the new drawer. Or the newly organised drawer. I think I might be burning them. There we go. You know, it was still quite cold this morning. It's always dark when I drive to work at home. It's a pain. And especially when I drive home. Okay. Gonna have some crumpets with chocolate spread and maybe cheese. That might sound disgusting, but it's not. Chocolate, cheese, apple, and what is it? Cheese and apple and chocolate. They all just go together really well. Honestly, if I had a chocolate fountain, cheese and apple would be options to dip in chocolate. Also other fruits. But yeah. Oh, and chocolate and Doritos. They're so good. It sounds weird, but wait, you got to try it first. Try it and then comment and tell me if you think it's good too. Chocolate Doritos or chocolate and cheese, just any kind of plain chocolate, or cheese and apple and chocolate, and it's really good. Chocolate and Doritos is probably my favorite though. Either chili heat wave or probably the chili heat wave ones, or the tangy cheese or whatever it is. I think they're done. Just need it hot enough to melt the chocolate, that's all. So I'm cooking pasta for lunch now, and I think we have some tuna that I'll just mix in with it. I really can't be bothered to make like a full lunch, and I don't actually have time to make like a full proper lunch. So I'll just have some pasta. Tuna. I don't even want to open a tin of sweet corn because we only buy big tins of sweet corn, and I don't think we'll use the rest of it. Yeah, I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight, but apparently Alana's having a friend over afterwards, but after school. So I'm assuming she'll eat some kind of dinner with her friend here. I don't know. There we go. This handle gets really hot. I don't actually like this pan that much. It's really old. In fact, a lot of our kitchen equipment is quite old. But yeah. Okay guys, so it's slowly falling, isn't it? Is it gonna stay? Anyway, I am going to add some tuna to my pasta. I use tin tuna, and I always get the one that's in brine rather than like sunflower oil, or do they do olive oil ones? I don't know. We have some in sunflower oil. I don't like that. But if I'm using mackerel for anything, no, I wouldn't really have it with pasta. If I'm using mackerel, I always got that one in oil rather than brine. So it's different. Yes, what time is it? It's 12:30-ish. Ooh. I literally drain the water out the pan and then mix the salmon in. And guys, not ashamed to say it, I eat it out the pan because it's less washing up, and yeah, it's less washing up. It's not like I'm sharing it with anyone, it's literally just for me. I need to drain this, there's too much liquid in it. Hey Dotty! Dotty, what you doing? Do you want some fish? Dotty likes fish. Are dogs meant to eat fish? I don't know. Dotty does. Here. Oh, look at this, Dotty. Do you want some of this? Oh, yum. Is that yummy? Good girl. She is actually quite a fussy dog, to be fair. If you like leave chocolate lying around, which obviously we know is bad for dogs, she won't eat it. But Reid, this new dog that my sister got, will eat anything you leave lying around. Anything. Including plastic and cardboard and just anything. Dotty, would you like some more? More? Yeah? Hang on. More? Yeah. That's how she tells me. Good girl. Do you want more? Oh, that is a big bit. That's your last piece because I need the rest in my food. Okay? Jump down. Down. Good girl, Dotty. Cool. That was a message about our swimming teacher meal next week. We have our end. You know what? The pools are broken. So I'm basically only doing farming at the minute because the swimming pools are both broken. We teach at 2 different, well, I think there's 3 different pools, but I don't teach at that one. So there are 2, and both of the ones that I teach at are broken. One of them has been broken since middle of September. I think we only taught there once since September. And then it broke. And then the other one broke the week before last. It did it the same last year as well. Last winter-ish, we were out of work because both pools broke at the same time again. I mean, I don't know. That just, it's not good, is it? It's not even just me. There are a lot of swimming teachers, including my mum, so she isn't having to work, and she doesn't do any farm work either. She literally has no work at the minute. Although she is helping out at the school today that one of the pools is at. The school that Alana goes to. That's why she's helping today. I'll use this fork. But she's not helping with Alana's class. Alana's in year 6, so she's going to secondary school next year. Which is quite cool. She'll be the last kid of my mum's to finish school and go to secondary school. Here you go, Dotty, you can have these bits. There. She's still standing there. Yeah. Literally just mushing it in. That's it. Sometimes I add sweet corn, but I never do mayonnaise. Some people put mayonnaise with tuna and pasta and sweet corn and stuff, or they make sandwiches out of it, but I literally, I mean, I don't mind mayonnaise or like barbecue or ketchup and stuff like that. I'll eat that. I even eat brown sauce. I do not eat mustard. It makes me feel sick. Even if it's mixed in a pasta sauce, like those ones you can buy from Tesco's, if you know. Some of them have mustard or mustard seeds in it, and it makes me feel sick after eating it. So I don't eat them. Go on then, lick the spoon. You can sit here. Dotty, your nose. There we go. I've just realised you guys are going to be like, ew, that's disgusting. Don't worry, it's going to be washed. To be honest, I kind of want to throw these little ones out. They're really old. Oh, Mum's calling me. Best answer that. I'm about to go back. Yeah. Going back to the farm now. Do some dehorning or something. I've got 10 minutes to get there, and it takes me about 9 minutes. If there's no traffic, and I don't think there will be because school's not finished yet. It's 2:50 and I need to be, no, it's sorry, my car's wrong. I haven't changed it yet because the clock's changed. It's 1:50 and I need to be there by 2, so let's see if we get there on time. I don't know. Okay, so I just got home from the farm. That dog's Zonko, and so is that one. Puppies. That's Dotty's that he's got there. Naughty Reidel. Hey Dotty, are you okay? Fist bump? No? Tickles? Do you want tummy tickles? You okay, baby? I'm home. You okay? What do you want? Hello. What? Do you want some tummy tickles? Yeah? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Are you tired? Did you go out for a walk or something? I shouldn't have said that word. No. Dotty's so sweet though. She has certain words that she reacts to by picking up her ears. Like, walk. Yeah. Or grandma. She likes seeing grandma. Or cheese. Cheese? Do you want some cheese? Okay, you have to relax your ears afterwards. Or sausages. Chicken. Treats. Do you want a treat? What are you looking at? What? Tummy tickles? Chesticles? You look exhausted for some reason, Dotty. What have you been doing all day? Reid likes sleeping in that cardboard thing with that like mattress topper thing underneath it. More than he likes sleeping in his own bed. I'll come down in the morning and he's been sleeping in this overnight. Can you guys hear him snoring? He snores so loud. It's like a proper human-y snore as well. I guess Dotty doesn't snore. Dotty's the first dog we've ever had, so he's obviously only the second, but he is my sister's, so he's the first boy dog we've had as well, because Dotty's a girl. Oh my god. I'm sitting here editing and I just keep hearing his snoring. It's kind of like white noise though. It's not that bad. What is he dreaming about? You do wonder what they dream about, because sometimes he twitches in his sleep and so does Dotty. It's like, what are they doing in their sleep? I'm sure dogs dream like we do. So, it'd be funny. Okay, guys. So, I need to do my advent calendar for day 5. Oh no, it's flipping upside down. There we go. Oh my gosh. I think it's the same one again. Really, I promise I'll put them in a random order. But I don't know why they're magically all going in the same row. I think it's also a cool decoration. It's a bit low. I didn't have anything higher to hang it on. And obviously with the weight of the bags, it made it even lower. That is so good. Oh yeah. What do we do today? Yeah, I really haven't filmed much. I don't actually know what I have filmed today, because I don't know. Went back to the farm this afternoon. Dehorned like 9 calves or something like that, which is really cool. Some of them were pretty naughty. They don't like being held still, basically. So it doesn't hurt them because they get anesthetic, but they do not like being held still. And some of them are sweet. They're just like munch, munch, munch. They suck your fingers and stuff. Some of them are really chill. But yeah, it was fun. What else did I do today? I ate food. I went to work in the morning. I ate more food. I went to work in the afternoon. Came home and I ate more food. And I spent like ages trying to upload a video. The video for the fourth day of Vlogmas is still not up. It has been at least an hour and a half. It keeps saying it's uploading. And it is going up, but it's so slow tonight. It's only 27-ish minutes long. It's so slow for that. But, you know, normally they upload a little bit faster. I don't know what's going on. I've made the thumbnail and everything. Like, it's ready to go, but I can't put the thumbnail on or anything, or do the description or tags or the end slate thing, end screen thingies. I can't do that until the video's up. So yeah. And I really needed to be in bed, or be in bed in like half an hour. But also I want this up before midnight, so I'm gonna stay up until there is no way I can get out before midnight. So if I stay up till like 11:30 and it's still not gone up, then I'll go to bed. I'll be like, I won't be able to get it up before midnight. But while there's still a chance, I'm gonna stay up and try and get it up, even though I've got to get up at 6. But I want these Vlogmas videos up the next day. That's what it is. So this video will be up tomorrow, hopefully, as long as the Wi-Fi and stuff does its thing. Yeah, I don't know what this video is, but this is probably gonna be the end of it. So thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe, and yes, the vlog could get worse, but also they could get better, so definitely subscribe. Yep. Oh, Lana's made a Christmas list. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe, like and comment. I've seen some comments, but I haven't had time to reply to them yet, or like them or whatever. I haven't even had time to read them properly. I've just seen that I think I've got 2 comments on a video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.